Whether you're just starting with e-invoicing or managing cross-border compliance, understanding the language is half the battle. Let's walk through 8 essential terms every business should know, and why they matter. Business-to-business invoicing. Increasingly regulated, especially in the EU. Mandatory in many countries by 2026. B2C. Invoices from businesses to consumers. Less controlled, but still evolving with digital wallets and receipt platforms. B2G, business-to-government invoices. Often require strict formats like X-Rechnung or UBL, especially in the EU. G2B, government-to-business. Think public refunds or procurement-related invoices. CTC, continuous transaction controls. Real-time invoice validation with tax authorities. DBNA, Digital Business Networks Alliance. A US-led group pushing for interoperable invoice exchange. ViDA, VAT in the digital age. The EU's plan to roll out real-time e-invoicing and digital reporting across member states. UBL, Universal Business Language. An XML standard used globally, and required in networks like PEPPOL. Still feel like you're translating a new language? You're not alone. But mastering these terms puts you ahead in a digital-first tax world. Get the full glossary in the E-Invoicing ABC available now on Amazon. Subscribe to E-Invoice Updates on YouTube and on X. Visit einvoiceupdates.wordpress.com for free weekly insights. Thanks for watching.